If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have a go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Mayne. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so here's a photograph of the cop killer, yeah man, Bala Jesus. Let's make his family cry by sending him straight to the departure lounge along with his dirty sister. Yeah, from information received, his dirty sister is driving. And we soon tell you the make and color of the vehicle that she's driving with this dirty man. And from information received and obtained, he's armed with 2 guns. And like how him have 2 guns here, we can easily send him to the departure lounge. As we say, once you kill a police officer, you have given up all rights to life. And sources, intelligence, that Bala Jesus is implicated in the murder of Corporal Mayne in Old Harbour. He's travelling in the comfort, Belfield and Royal flat spaces of Manchester. He's been transported in a grey or silver wished registration at a certainty. The car is being driven by his dirty bungle sister, who's familiar with the Manchester space. He's reportedly in possession of 2 firearms and was seen in a bar in Belfield. Come on people, informer, alert. And he's trying to leave the country. So, you know that there's a place down there where you call, same place in Manchester space, that them call Tourist, a South Coast gem or adventure for, yeah. So that is weird. And there's a major racket that taking place in southeast Vero Clarendon border, line Manchester to Bimini, Bahamas. So he's trying to board a boat there from Manchester for go Bimini, Bahamas. Yes. And so them use them places as Cockey, Rifle, Salt River, Portland Cottage, Milk River, Fartner, Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Bala Jesus is planning an hole in a boat, Salt River or St. Toulis borderline, Manchester, Scott Pass, Tollgate, Porous, Dead Centre, South. But man and man don't want him within the space. So people need to go to the departure lounge. The crime that this man is committed is unforgivable. You can't kill no police and live. I just saw it go. And Josie. So this is an intelligence alert. Yes, this is an intelligence alert. The hunt for Bala Jesus eat up. The net is closing in. And thanks to a trusted and patriotic source, we now have exclusive new information on the movement of Bala Jesus, the notorious criminal implicated in the cold-blooded execution of Corporal Kamal Mayne in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This is no longer rumor, this is at intelligence, and it is being shared with you because time is of the essence. We want this man at the departure lounge, no jail, no, for you kill a police, you are enemy number one. Once you're enemy number one, you kill on sight. It don't really matter if you're in a church, in a priest, or even the Pope lap, you just take him out. According to sources, Bala Jesus is currently on the move across Comfortable, Belfield and Royal Flats in areas in the parish of Manchester. He's not traveling alone. He's been chauffeured in a grey or silver Toyota Wish by his own sister, Dotty Bungle, so she can go with him too. You know what I mean? Yes, she for go with him too. Who knows the terrain? The sister, she knows the terrain well, and it's helping him evade capture. The registration plate is not yet confirmed, but the vehicle is in active use and believed to be switching routes frequently. This is no ordinary fugitive. All the police have to do, use them have the thing, and she have a cell phone. Police don't concentrate. She have a cell phone in a real time. Use it. Use the technology. He is not sleeping in the same space twice. So you know he's not sleeping in the same space twice. Rotating locations to stay ahead of law enforcement. But that won't save him because Jamaica is watching. The streets are talking and the fire of justice is coming. To all law-abiding citizens in Manchester, especially in and around Comfort, Belfield and Royal Flats, be on the alert. If you see this vehicle, if you spot this man, yes, if you spot this man, please, even a shadow of doubt that he might be nearby, call the police or Crime Stop immediately. Do not engage, do not warn him. Let the authority know. Let the authorities know and let them deal with him accordingly. Straight to the departure lounge, him supposed to go. Once you kill a police officer, you declare war on the state. And once you declare war on the state, you become enemy number one. Enemy number one, that means it's war. So war, you have to take out the enemy. To the sister driving the car, yeah man, you are now a part of a national manhunt. You are not shielding your brother. You are shielding a cop killer. And if you continue to play getaway driver, you will face the full wrath of the law. So she can go straight to the departure lounge with him because she love her brother and she want anywhere him go, she go with him. So she can get free her ticket too. So she now only pass standby now, so she supposed to have her ticket punched. Let it be made absolutely clear. This ends one way and one way only. Bala Jesus boarding is one way, non-refundable, non-negotiable flight straight to the departure lounge. No delay, no mercy, no sympathy, no reschedule. Flight on time. I will say that without any apologies. Once you kill a police officer, you declare war on the state. So you're enemy number one. So this is a national call to all informers. To informers, your country needs you now. Jamaica needs you now. To every informer in Jamaica. Yes, you, informer alert. Bing, 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 informer alert. The ones they mock, insult and try to shame while secretly depending on when chaos erupts. This is your moment. Yes, this is your moment for chat. Call 119. Tell them where dirty boy them and juicy. We want them. Yes, straight at the departure lounge. It's time to dust off your informer hat. Wear it with pride. Step into your God-given duty to protect this country from the enemies of the state. Because when you inform to save innocent lives, you are not a traitor, you are a patriot. We are calling on you to do your best. Tell us where Bala, Jesus and Juicy are hiding. Tell us what they are driving, where they are sleeping, who they are with. We know Bala Jesus is with his sister. She fear plea to go to the departure lounge because she's chauffeuring enemy of the state. So we have him. This is Bala Jesus, the killer. And where they plan to go next. These two cold-blooded cowards murdered Corporal Kamal Mayne, a man who spent more than 20 years serving and protecting this nation. And now these criminals believe they can walk free, drink in bars, laugh in your communities, and hide behind silence. No. Informer, for live and gunman for dead. No, not on our watch. No cop killer must live in a peace. They must go straight to the departure lounge. Yeah, you understand? Once you kill a police officer, you have given up all rights to life, liberty, happiness, and freedom. There is no negotiation, no rehabilitation, no second chance. The only destination left is the departure lounge. One way, no delay, no apologies, no sympathy. So, to the brave informers from Spanish Town to Manchester, from Old Harbour to Orange Villa, from Comfort to Belfield, we need you to speak up, call Crime Stop, call 119, call someone you trust in the JCF, send a message, drop a note, whisper if you have to, but do not stay silent. This is your time. This is your mission. For Jamaican, law-abiding Jamaicans, this is your time. Informer for live. Informer are the biggest patriot in the country. Yes, the people who are remaining silent, they are criminal-minded people. You stay far from them. We know them. People who stand for justice, for Corporal, Kamal, Mayne, call. Let's send Bala, Jesus and Juicy to one place they truly belong, the departure lounge. And remember, informer for dead no. Informer for fed. Fed with justice, fed with pride, fed with a safe Jamaica. And gunman, for go straight to the departure lounge. No apology, no pity, no sympathy. Just straight con. And make sure them eyes so them need escort. Escort when them go on the departure lounge. We don't want them make certain them eye gone. So we want all a man like AK Russell to do the job. Send them straight to the departure lounge. So when them go up on the flight, them can't say somebody have to lead them. Possibly the sister, cause I like how she love cop killer and love their own brother we a killer. Yes. Bala Jesus we kill our patriotic corporal, Kamal Mayne. This man is a hard-working police. This is a man who supply the police hierarchy with intelligence all over. And here's one of all corrosion. This same man was provide comfort to him last night. Shamar, one other gunman of Chambers Lane. Yeah, man, he's the one that provide comfort to this killer last night. And the other one, yes, Josie, Orange Villa, Poochie have all pitney with our police. Oh, that a police woman. Yes, man, so speak up. We want the informer them to speak up because we want this boy, yeah, straight to the departure lounge. We want Bala Jesus and Juicy and all the others who have played a role in taking the life of Corporal Kamal Mayne straight to the departure lounge. This is not a Netflix series. This is a serious thing. And we have zero sympathy when it come on. When you kill our police officer, we take this serious. Because we know that when you kill a police officer, you have declared war on us and every law-abiding citizens of Jamaica and even the diaspora. We don't care which political party you serve. That is your business. One thing we know, that we at the Jamaica Young Police Center, we are here for the law-abiding citizens. And we are against criminals, gunmen. Whether you are PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization, supporter, activist, or voter, and gunman, straight to the departure lounge. If you are a JLP, gunman, murderer, and you kill police, straight to the departure lounge. No if, no buts, no special treatment. The only thing you will get a champagne glass with bitters on the flight, straight on the departure lounge. No delay. Our pilots are always ready. The crew is waiting. Space is always available. So come on, let's make this trip a special flight for these killers. All of them. Time for action is known. No. The face of evil. Bala Jesus exposed. Jamaica, take a good look. This is the face of one of the men responsible for the cold-blooded murder of Corporal Kamal Mayne. His street name is Bala Jesus. But hey, look, there's nothing old about him, He's a career criminal, a declared enemy of the state, and a man who has openly vowed to kill more police officers. He thinks he's untouchable. He thinks he can walk freely, armed and protected by his sister. He thinks Juicy and the rest of his crew can hide forever. He thinks Jamaica is afraid. Well, let's prove him dead wrong. Let's show him and anyone else foolish enough to follow his path that when you murder a police officer in this country, Your story end one way. A fast track, no layover, first class seat to the departure lounge. And guess what? His sister is driving. Juicy is in the back seat. The gate is open and the flight crew is ready. To the Jamaican people, this is your moment to stand tall. This is not the time to cower. It is the time to conquer. Let's flush them out. Let's turn up the pressure. Let's send a message so loud it echoes in every garrison, every corner, and every criminal hideout. You kill a cop, you forfeit your life. Ball of Jesus, your time is up. Juicy, you're next. And the sister, your seat is confirmed. The departure lounge is waiting. Jamaica is watching and justice is coming. Come on, Jamaica. Let's do this. We can. And let's send this boy to the departure lounge. And when we see him the next time, him two eyes them supposed to gone. So we call him every informer who hate criminals with a passion. Give up Ball of Jesus and Juicy. We want them on their flights. Once you kill a police officer, you have given up all rights to live, to life, liberty, freedom, and happiness. You don't deserve no other place than the departure lounge. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.